So we're at the top of Craig's Pass here in Yellowstone. Just wanted to show you how high this snow is, way above my head. You stand here. This area is called Black Sand Basin. Just got these bubbling little cauldrons all over the place. This is called the Emerald Pool. Very pretty. It's probably hard to tell, but this is quite deep. Got all sorts of these bubbling cauldrons here. See how it's colored the rock over there? A lot of water flowing here in Yellowstone, let me tell you. All the snow off. Down here there's not that much snow. This is one of the prettier ones. The depth and the blue comes out in this to get just how deep and rich this blues are down in there. Taking a picture of the people getting just buried in the steam.